Hi, Etsy. I spotted a few things on your Amazon listing that could be costing your sales right now. So let's take a closer look for your product, which is the micro melatonin. First, congrats on your 4.5-star rating. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So first, let's talk about traffic. Now, what really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see that you are organically indexing for 300 keywords and you are supporting that with around 63 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing for here, and we usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is one paid for every two organic to index more better. Now you can also check out this word cloud here below. These are the most important keywords for your listing, and we could share this expert for free if you will book a call with us today. Now, going down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. So, for the keyword phrase kids melatonin with 25,000 searches, good job bidding on this keyword. You're currently at 41. This can still be improved because you're currently ranking in a double digit rank. What this means is that customers have to scroll through over 41 listings before they can finally see your product. And this is limiting your exposure. You're buried deep in the search results. Now, however, for the other keyword phrases right here on top with the higher search volume, for example, for the melatonin with 300,000 searches, you are not indexing here at all. So, what this means is that you are not being seen here at all. So, this is a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using the keyword phrases right over here. Now, we can definitely help you with your keywords here. We can help you push the rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Let me show you how big your category is on Amazon. It's just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is kids melatonin. As you can see, there is a total revenue of $7 million, and top sellers are averaging around $121,000 per month. Now, I can see that you are not really getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here, the Smarty Pants Kids Sleep Gummies. Now, just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. There are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing here is their keyword strategy. So they've sold over 4,800 units and have generated $99,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and based on their distribution, you will see that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. You should work on your title. You're currently at 127. You could maximize this up to 150 to improve your visibility in Amazon. But good job on your bullet points over here. Just don't forget to update it regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. And then for your image tag, you do have your 6 images with infographics as well, which is good. You could also add 6 images plus one video to improve your visibility in Amazon as well. Now let's go down here below to your A plus content, as this could be the deciding factor if buyers will choose your product. Good job utilizing large eye-catching images over here. Okay, also added some explanations, which is good. You have your brand story as well. Okay, this is good and very beautiful. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text as well. Okay, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I could give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well on Amazon. Now, those are just a few things that I could share with you for today, but if you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. Now, My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.